2, 3, 4. Child arrived just the other day, came to the world in the usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away, and he talked for I knew it, and as he grew, he said, you know I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you. And the cats and the cradle and the silver stone, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When he coming home, son, I don't know when we get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. My son turned 10 just the other day. He said, thanks for the ball, yeah, come on, let's play. Can you teach me to throw? I said, not today, I've got a lot to do. He said, well, that's okay, and he walked away. And he smiled and he said, you know I'm gonna be like him. You know I'm gonna be like him. And the cats and the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. Oh, when you're coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. Came from college just the other day, but so much like a man I just had to say, son, I'm proud of you, could you sit for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, what I'd really like, Dad, is to borrow your car keys. See you later, can I have them please? The cats and the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. Oh, when you're coming home, son, I don't know when we get together then. Good time I've long since retired, my son moved away. Called him up just the other day. I'd like to see you if you don't mind. He said, I'd love to death if I could find the time. You see, the new job's a hassle and the kids have the flu, but it's sure nice talking to you. It's been sure nice talking to you. And as I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, he grew up just like me. My boy was just like me. And the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. Oh, when you're coming home, son, I don't know when we get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. And the cats and the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. Oh, when you're coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time.
Das ist Balsam für die wunde Straßenmusikerseele, das muss ich mal sagen. Das ist wirklich wahr. In der Straße laufen wir heute